The production of Jaguar Land Rover engines at Bridgends Ford engine plant will end 3 months earlier than expected in September 2020. The Union for Motor Industry Workers, GMB, says the news could see more than 1,100 jobs lost at Bridgends Ford alone, and has requested an urgent meeting with the Cabinet Secretary for Economy and Infrastructure, Ken Skates, to discuss how best safeguard jobs in the motor industry. Jeff Beck, GMB regional organizer, said the news we most feared been announced in Bridgends today. The result could see over 1,100 jobs lost in Bridgends Ford alone. Unless alternate contracts are found, this will have a devastating and far-reaching impact on the communities in and around Bridgends as well as across South Wales as a whole. We will be working alongside our colleagues in Unite and the Welsh Government to find alternative work for the plant. GMB has requested an urgent meeting with the Cabinet Secretary for Economy and Infrastructure, Ken Skates, at the earliest opportunity to discuss how best safeguard jobs in the motor industry. Tags Engines, GMB, Government, Jaguar Land Rover, Jeff Beck, Trade Unions Category UK News.